Hello everyone, my name is Madhav Dosad and welcome to Gyan Shloud Masti. Today we will be talking about that what will happen to the earth if the whole planet was covered with oxygen. Like there was no other gas, no nitrogen, no hydrogen, no argon. If there was no gas and only 100% oxygen on the earth, then what would happen? So let us talk about it. So oxygen is very necessary for our survival, as you already know that plants also need to respire and they take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. We also take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide, and same goes for the animals also. So it is very necessary for our survival. So what will happen that if the whole environment was 100%, will it do any good to us? So let us talk about it from the early era. Now, the situation we have now, we have only 21% of oxygen left on earth. So as you already know, that circle one diagram, the pie chart, where nitrogen is 78% and oxygen is 21%. So our oxygen is only 21%. But in the starting of the earth and in the late Paleozoic era, it was almost 25% and approx 30%. So you can imagine that it was 5% more. So in the later uh, Paleozoic era, there were many wildfires. Even wet plants can catch fire in that much oxygen. As you already know that oxygen uh, gives fuel to fire and it helps in combustion, so it will be very easy to light the things. And if it is 100% oxygen, even the slightest mistake can burn the entire place. And you can even burn metals with a matchstick. Normally you can't burn metals like that, but if there is whole oxygen, you can just take a matchstick and burn metals like that. And you can't even drive cars because cars engine our fuel tanks will be like a bomb, because if there is slight ignition into it, it will explode because there is 100% oxygen. And what will happen to us? So it will do no good, because if we inhale that much oxygen, it is deadly for us. So we will need a mask for it, a specially made mask, because for us 100% oxygen is like poison, and we will mostly feel headaches and many other diseases from it. And we will start wrinkling at the age of 10 also. But if it is in moderate amount like 25% or 30%, like it was in the starting of the earth and in the later Paleozoic era, so our bodies will grow. And it was visible in the insects also, that the insects, the normal insects, were this big. So you can imagine that what will happen. But there will be also one more thing, that plants will not survive. And why is that? So, as you already know, photosynthesis needs carbon dioxide. Respiration needs oxygen, but photosynthesis needs carbon dioxide. But if there is no carbon dioxide, it is 100% oxygen. So, what will happen? The plants will die. So, the earth will be inhabited by our mushrooms and uh, things like those who do not need carbon dioxide to live. So hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please share it with everyone and please subscribe to the channel also. Bye.